How to see who viewed your Snapchat story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can see who viewed your Snapchat story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to see who viewed your Snapchat story, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. And then let's just say that you've happened to upload a story, so you tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen, and once you tap the profile icon from the top left over here, you should be able to see this type of interface. Well, what you need to do is right here you'll be able to see the number of views, but if someone actually sees your views, then you should be able to see a list of those people who has viewed your Snapchat story. Now currently I don't have any viewers, but if you do, then you should be able to find a list of those people. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then see who viewed your Snapchat story. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.